create elegant scrunchies with pearls. Let's start. Materials: satin 8 by 100 centimeters, elastic 25 centimeters, mini pearl beads no hole. Fold the both end of the fabric by 1 centimeter wide, and then fold it lengthwise. So the open lengthwise side of the fabric to create a tube. Turn the tube inside out. Get the elastic and insert it inside the tube using a safety pin. Knot the elastic to create a circle. Get a needle and yarn to start an invisible hand stitch to close the opening of scrunchies. We now have beautiful scrunchies, but we can make it more beautiful by putting a pretty little pearl. To stick this pretty pearl to our scrunchies, we need a hot glue. Now let's start. Put a little hot glue to the other side of the pearl and stick it one by one to the scrunchie. Now we have beautiful and elegant scrunchies. Create your own pearl scrunchie now. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to the Jean Lee Handcrafts channel.